In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list ID in ClickUp. If you're working with ClickUp, there might be times when you need the unique list ID for integrations, troubleshooting, or even just advanced customization. Getting this ID is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you can access it with ease. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, make your way to the specific list for which you need the ID. You can find your lists in the sidebar on the left or by navigating through your spaces and folders. This is your first step, locating that list in your account. Once you've found your list and you're in the list view, look for the ellipsis icon, those three little dots that you can find either in the sidebar next to the list name or at the top of the list view itself. Clicking on this ellipsis is the gateway to more options for your list, so go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Copy Link. This feature is extremely handy as it allows you to copy the direct link to your list. So, click Copy Link, and what this does is it copies the URL of the list into your clipboard. The next step is finding a place to paste this link. You might choose to open a new document if you want to save it for later, or simply paste it into a new browser tab's address bar to see it immediately. Wherever you decide to paste it, you'll be able to view the full URL. After pasting the link, you'll notice it's a detailed URL with quite a bit of information. But here's the key part. The list ID you're looking for is the series of numbers that appears towards the end of this URL. This number is unique to your list, and it's what you'll use for those specific needs requiring the list ID. A little tip: always double-check the copied URL to ensure you're looking at the correct list if you're managing multiple lists. Also, while the URLs are handy for internal use within your team, remember to keep sensitive or proprietary information secure when you store or share these URLs. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly obtain the list ID within ClickUp. This process ensures you have the unique identifier you need quickly at your fingertips. Plus, mastering this simple task can save you time and improve your efficiency when working on more complex projects and integrations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in demystifying how to find your list ID in ClickUp. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.